Hey folks, I'm here in what is going to be a showstopper of a kitchen at 2102 Alteras Drive in Smyrna, Tennessee. This home is currently on the market, but the sellers are in the process of doing some amazing work to upgrade the space. We already have a brand new carpet upstairs, these beautiful hardwood floors downstairs, but soon this kitchen here is really going to be just the absolute star of the show. Maybe hard to see right now, but brand new granite countertops. These look really amazing with a breakfast bar up front. A new black matte finished faucet, single basin sink, and as you can see, obviously all the cabinet doors are off. That means we're getting a fresh coat of paint on those. Those will be white. And then we have a beveled edge subway tile backsplash that's going in. That will look really pretty as well. So this is a really stunning home. It is just over 2,300 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, huge bonus room upstairs, but a beautiful front porch that overlooks the park. And so I think that you're really going to love it. Hey, I wanted to let you know, hey, if you're interested in this home, it may not be on the market too much longer with all this beautiful work going on, so it may be in your best interest to act fast. My number is 615-815-4283. Call me, text me, whatever, all those work great, but we'd love for you to get a private tour or get more information as soon as you can. So, all right, can't wait to hear from you, and we'll talk to you soon.